I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to dim or turn off the lights on your Synology NAS. Step 1. Open a web browser and then open the Synology DSM. Step 2. Click Control Panel on your DSM home screen. Step 3. Navigate to the System section and then click Hardware and Power. The Hardware and Power screen is displayed. Step 4. Make sure General is selected at the top of this screen and then navigate down to the LED Brightness Control section. You can drag this slider all the way to the left if you want to turn the lights on your Synology NAS completely off. Alternatively, if you just want to dim the lights on your Synology NAS, you can choose one of the 3 brightness levels on the slider. Click Apply when you're done making your changes. The light brightness on your Synology NAS will be adjusted immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.